There's always a project going on at my house. And today we are painting Jamie's bed, my son Jamie's. It's a desk underneath his bed. His walls are red and the bed is black. His two favorite colors are red and black. I did not get a before video. I will be posting an after video. This is just a do-it-yourself project at home that we threw together. He's got a little shelf over here for his electronics when he's up in his bed. I will be sure to post a video of the finished project. I hope everybody's having a good day. Bye.